everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Apurv's R.manisha, and you are watching My Temptation. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you my wristwatch repair shop, and I enjoyed tea, um, auntie's special tea, roadside from roadside, and it was very nice. And guys, really I was enjoying there. This video In this video, um three places I went. Mango Market, Jamshedpur. Three places was number one is actually there is a three places. I went temple, and yes, I went to the temple, Shankar Bhagwan ji's temple, and then I went to the my wristwatch repair shop, and then I went to the tea stall. After that, I went to the tea stall and for auntie's special tea, and really I was enjoying and missing my boo so much everywhere. Last time, and in the year 2023, we were coming here and enjoy so many places, and now this time I'm alone, just lonely lady enjoying loneliness, you can say. But I really miss my partner. He was very amazing person. But what can I do? I cry, but he never come. I know he would never come. I finished my tea, but auntie, she continuing, she just talking continuously on the phone, and she was talking her baby, so she enjoying. And now I finished my tea and going to next work. Yes, I'm here, and nobody in this place, and I am missing my boo boo always. uh, I'm missing my boo boo so much. Everywhere his core memory. I have a lots of memory. My sweetest husband, my best husband in this world. हाँ, ऐसा मैं उन्हें कहा करती थी, यू आर द बेस्ट हस्बैंड इन दिस वर्ल्ड। तो वो मुझे रिप्लाई में ऐसा बोलते थे कि सभी तुम्हारे सभी बुब्बों में, सभी जुनों में, लाइक सभी सारे हस्बैंड्स में। सो I'm missing his word.
Alright, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get a notification for the next video that coming up. Until next time, see you friends in the next video. Bye bye. Stop.